Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and today I am going out into that disgraceful weather because it's our annual gardening get together up at Johnstown Garden Centre. Now I'm expecting a lift any minute, going with my friend Linda, and I hope to meet all my good friends there, and maybe I'll make a video of the plants and the displays that are there, and who knows, maybe they might have a nice orchid I could buy. And just before we go to the get-together, I forgot something very important. I forgot something I promised my friend Liga. So let's go over here into the greenhouse and get it out. Here we go, down the greenhouse. Oh, difficult to navigate. Nice cyclamen. And yes, what's that? It's my peonies. I'm not going to grow peonies anymore. They're just too much trouble for me in the summer when they need a lot of water and I'm so busy with other things in the garden. So Liga's getting all my peonies. So here we are, peonies for Liga. Books for sale, and here's Linda come to collect me. Hi Linda.
Hi Rachel.
It's a lovely day out there, isn't it?
Looking, oh I am, for ducks. I've just had a filling, so I'm not talking very well.
Now I got the peiones from Rachel. Look, it means I'm like this. How to call the girl who have to pick up from fairy tale? She have to pick grain out of dust, no, but out of yeah, something. So I will have to do the same.
Yes, because it's a mess, isn't it?
It's total message. You're lazy. Oh, but that is nice one.
No better woman anyway.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
What's that? I got seeds of daily. I have. I want to buy my fourth sleeve. Which one is that? Help me!
Okay, I'll have to put the camera down though.
Help me, yeah. This one, this
The buds are quite advanced. They're all a single bulb, aren't they? So.
Yeah, they look like.
Yeah.
Are you getting one?
Yeah.
On that side, no better ones.
No, I don't think so. I think they're about the same.
I went to somebody else and he said he would, but he let me down badly. I had only the very beginnings of what he said he'd do. He said that he thought it was very important that at these occasions he was delighted to be asked, and he knew that you would all be delighted to hear him. And he was going to say something and give one of his famous orations, but Sabina kept him in the house to take down the decorations.
it's great to see everybody here today, everybody fine and healthy. And I hope that during the year, some of you will have an open day and we can all go. Thank you very much.